The world is celebrating Food Safety Day on 7th of June 2021. Different programs are being planned and conducted by the organization to spread awareness on the importance of food safety. So I thought to put your attention on a very important information which you should know on this day as a food technologist and professional. As we all, as a food technologist, striving hard to produce a safe food and ensuring food safety in our organization. But even then, there are food safety issues, cases, withdrawals, recalls, outbreaks, even deaths are happening worldwide on regular basis. So what are the major things which are making our food unsafe and causing these issues? First of all, can you guess the most common reason for products going to be unsafe is? Is it due to foreign matter? Is it due to pesticide contamination, aflatoxin, listeria, salmonella, E. coli, allergens, heavy metals, or any other thing? According to the food recall and withdrawal data maintained by the food laws and legislative bodies like Australian Food Safety Standards, European Union, USDA, Codex, the five most common reasons are: reason number one, undeclared allergens. And the most possible reason of allergen contamination in food are cross contamination and use of wrong labeling and packaging. Reason number two, listeria. And the most possible reasons of listeria contamination in food are unhygienic practices, bad manufacturing practices, cross contamination, and bad storage condition. Reason number three, foreign matter, that includes plastic, glass, and metal fragments. And the most possible chances reasons are bad manufacturing practices, use of unsuitable equipments, unavailability of foreign matter detectable equipments like X-ray machines, metal detectors, magnets, etc. Reason number four, salmonella. And the most possible reasons of salmonella contamination in food are unhygienic practices, bad manufacturing practices, cross contamination, and bad storage conditions. Reason number five, E. coli. And most possible reasons of E. coli in food are like again unhygienic practices, bad manufacturing practices, cross contamination, and bad storage practices. So these are there are several other reasons as well based on the nature of products, but 85% of food being unsafe around the world is due to these five reasons. What we need to do is to comply the requirements of food safety standards in a two spirit, develop a food safety culture in an organization, motivate the employees. Management commitment is a key of food safety. The theme of World Food Safety Day 2021 is Safe Food Now for a Healthy Tomorrow. I will see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.